The 2015 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost. Your new ride is just a phone call away.